Hello there, I'd love to welcome you to this video. My name is C Forex. Thank you for watching this video. But before I go on, I'd love to thank my mentors, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote the book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Tim Sykes, who wrote the forward to the book, the forward to the book, The Penny Stock Course, and Matthew Crater, who wrote the book Rocket Stocks. And you can find all their books on Amazon Kindle. I'm here to just to show you how I find Forex pairs to trade. So you can see on the screen I found like three Forex pairs to trade. So basically what I look for is for a lagging indicator, right? So like for example here I'm using 50x margin, so you can see this is perfect, right? It's reversed here and it's given us momentum on the MACD. Now the challenge is okay, yeah, so the challenge is sometimes having it to confirm on the MACD like that, like what we have here. There's no MACD confirmation. It's giving us kind of like a weird MACD confirmation, right? Let me see what we have here. Yeah, so basically what I'm looking for on the weekly chart is something similar to this. Okay, so basically I start from the weekly chart pattern, then I compare it with the MACD. So this is the perfect entry for the MACD as well. So if you look at this one as well, it's a reversal chart pattern as well, though it's not very perfect. So I look for reversal on the week, then I look for the entry on the 4-hour candlestick chart pattern. I don't know what happened here. I think this was last week. Okay, so last week we had some good entries as well. Anyway, let me see. Yeah, we had some good entries last week as well. So I don't know. I guess I'm a little confused. But anyway, yeah, basically this is what's happening. So I'm looking for a reversal entry on the 4-hour time frame. I don't know why I'm guessing, but one thing I can note is that in terms of trend lines, let's see what we have here. So in terms of trend lines, we can check. Let me see. Where is trending? Okay, they're all trending. Some of them don't seem to be trending. Like this one, it doesn't look like it's trending. Even this one doesn't look like it's trending. So, but I'm still, you know, looking for some entries. Even though some of them are not trending, but so far so good. The ones that I have picked seem to be trending, right? So with these I would just remove them, you know, and then I would focus on the ones that are active right now. Those were close enough, that's why I kept them there. So this one is a reversal, very powerful reversal, very powerful reversal. This is also another reversal. See what we have here. Also a powerful reversal. Even though with this one, it doesn't seem to be following the moving averages, right? So maybe I might discount it in this case, because it's not following the moving average, right? Unlike this other one here, it's following the moving average, right? Yeah, it's like following the moving average. Even this one is following the moving average. So not only am I looking for a reversal entry, I'm also making sure it follows the moving average on the 4-hour chart, right? On the 4-hour chart as well, because you want to buy something that's you know, trending. Okay, something that's trending. So probably in the past, you're confirming a past signal, like what happened here, right? It did a reversal and it went up, and we have another reversal. So it's very important to chase what's trending. So that's for Forex trading. I would have used the MACD. Now the MACD is also important, don't get me wrong. It does give important information, but I'm personally used to the moving average. That's the one I enjoy using. We can look for similar chart patterns in stocks, in the stock market as well. There is no harm with that. Let's start with Nvidia. Apple. So I'm basically looking for stocks to buy, right? So we can filter it. I love using these filters because excuse me, because it's faster. Okay, because it's faster. Okay. So basically, I want all of them to be trending on the week and the daily chart, because I want to buy all of them. Okay. Wait a second. So this one, it's below 50-day moving average on the day. This one below price on the day. Okay. I think I'm looking for a 50-day moving average on the week. Yeah, let's try that. All right, anyway, let's see what we got. All right, so if I make a mistake, then I will know. All right, so we're now looking at stocks. So the entry should always be a reversal. Okay, so we have a reversal here. So we're looking for an entry. Now the entry should be a reversal. All right, so there should be, ideally there should be a reversal entry. So even though this is a good entry in the week, there is no reversal entry on the 4-hour chart. This one is almost there, but let's look for a reversal entry on the 4-hour chart, and there is no reversal entry there. So basically what I'm looking for is an entry on the week with a 4-hour reversal entry. Now this one does have a reversal, but the volume is low, so the closest we have something to watch is probably Coca-Cola is the closest we have come in terms of something to watch in the stock market. So I would watch Coca-Cola stock, looking for an entry in Coca-Cola. So I don't know about the other stocks, but I would definitely watch Coca-Cola. Okay, so that's it for stocks. We got stocks, we have Forex, and then we can look at commodities as well. Let's look at copper futures. Copper prices are very important. Now on copper prices, we need to look for a reversal. So the reversal happened, I think, a week ago here, which we missed. So I think we missed an entry, but on the copper prices. But I would definitely keep my eye out for copper prices. I think there is an entry signal in the copper prices. I did my own research when it came to commodities, but I definitely saw copper there. We can also check on agriculture. Let's check cocoa and sugar. Okay, we have a trending down entry. Cocoa futures seem to be trending down on the short term, but looks like a correction on the long term. So yeah, another one that I would check for is let's see what you have on energy. So we can start with natural gas. So oil prices. The oil prices look like they're going to crash. We have a reversal on the oil prices, so I think I would watch oil prices as well, waiting for them to crash, which is crazy to me. So the oil prices are definitely going to crash, so I'd keep an eye out on oil and copper prices. And this is 50x margin, by the way. Then let's look at Bitcoin. Now with Bitcoin, using my strategy, I have not found any entry. So I do use another strategy to buy Bitcoin. Now, I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you a strategy that I enjoy. So you come here, economic. So you take the interest rate. Then you take the inflation rate. Or month over month, whichever you prefer. Then you compare them. So then you compare them. So when the inflation rate right now in China is the inflation rate, the interest rate in China right now is 3%, while the inflation rate is negative 0.1. So basically, what you're doing is so that we can't see it on the chart, but basically what you're doing is you're comparing the two. So when the inflation rate exceeds the interest rate, that's your signal. It gives you a signal. It means something is happening in the economy. I will try and find some time to make a video based on that lesson. as well. See how it can go. Let me see. So sad my internet is a little slow. Sorry. So yeah, I start with the weekly chart, and yeah, there we go. You can use bars. Bars are a little bit cleaner. I love candlesticks because you can, they're more like you can literally see them. They're more clearer to me anyway. So I would wait for a confirmation signal on oil. Copper has a long way to go, so I would watch copper as well. We're already in breakout territory, so but I would keep an eye on copper. I would keep an eye on oil as well. So I would keep an eye on oil and copper. These are very important. If it comes to crypto, most of them follow Bitcoin, but let me see if I can find something in crypto. Maybe I can say BNB chain ecosystem. I don't know. My internet is slow. Let's see if I can increase it. I'm coming. Okay, so hopefully the internet is a little bit faster. I've tried a new connection. Let's see. All right, so hopefully the internet will be a little bit faster. I've tried a new connection. Just a little bit too slow. So all right, so let's see what we have. I think we have 900 chains. 900 900 coins on the Binance ecosystem chain. Okay, so we can check them out. There's no pressure, so we can say below price. Let's just give them the rocket booster strategy, which is very simple, where the price is above the 50-day moving average and the 200-day moving average. Okay, so let's have something like that. Okay, so we've dropped that to 45. On the week, my god, it's dropped to just 2. Alright, so we only have 2 trending coins in the Binance ecosystem. So Binance chain, yes, I would definitely watch it. The BNB chain is something I would watch out for. I would watch for this blue line to be above while the orange line is there. I would look for a breakout pattern in the BNB chain, though I don't know when it will appear. I think it's also similar to Bitcoin. I would look for a breakout pattern. I don't know if there's any other way. Okay. Crazy. So I think that's it for now. I'd love to thank you so much for watching this video. Trade safe, take care, bye bye, and bye bye.